Okay, welcome to Gomera's Garage. What we have here is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. Um, I'm having problem with noise. It's a ticking noise. Every time you steer the vehicle to left and right, and when you press the gas, and it will start ticking like tick 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 tick. And at first, I thought it was like the drive shaft or the axle shaft, transmission, all of that stuff. I was thinking crazy because I couldn't find where that ticking noise is at first until um, I got it up. I really look at it very closely, and then I found that the ball joint is loose. So I was thinking it could be the ball joint because I don't really hear ball joint making a noise like that. Because it's only making a noise when you're staring on the stop. Like you don't, it doesn't even make a noise when you're going forward. So only when you're moving slowly and you're staring left or right, and that's the only time that it make a noise. Other than that, there's no noise. So finally, I said, you know what? Since the ball joint is loose, I might as well replace the ball joint. And it turned out to be it's the ball joint is making that noise. In my surprise, I thought it was like the the steering rack was making a noise also because it's only when I stare it left and right. I was like maybe the steering rack is bad, right? So eventually I replaced the ball joint and the noise disappeared. So I will show you. So we're going to keep going, but also um, if this video helpful, please consider to like, share, and subscribe so that we can grow this channel and hopefully we can help more people. So without further ado, let's keep moving. So here I was putting the car in left. I left up the car and put it in drive. As you can see, you will hear the noise in a minute. Yeah, you hear that ticking noise? See that noise? While the car is spinning slowly, and I'm always turning right at this point. here I am, trying to wiggle the tires. As you can see, it's loose. There's a play there, right? And even you can even hear the tick a little bit. And this is the left side, driver side, and this is the right side, passenger side. Also the same. So I'm going to replace both of this ball joint. But I've never expect that the ball joint would sound like that only when you're steering. So here it is. I remove the ball joint, and see how about that. That's the noise. So here's the new one. Just make sure you bought a good quality ball joint, because you don't want to do this again and again. So yeah, that's about it. Again, thank you for watching.